Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So I am just going to be doing a cloth and paper haul. I have held on to this stuff for a few days now, so I'd love to get into it and get everything set up for 2024. So that is the plan. So let's just jump into it. First of all, again, if you know me, I'm such a cloth and paper fan. I love cloth and paper so much. I think that their stuff is quality. I think that there's nothing that you can get from them that isn't amazing. So I am just going to jump into this. Now, a lot of this is going to be, or all of this is going to be what I'm going to use for 2024. So in no particular order, this was an order that I placed kind of last minute, or I should say after I placed this order. I placed this first order, which is a big order, and then I placed this order because I realized I had some Lux Bucks. And Lux Bucks do expire. If you're a C&P fan, Lux Bucks are like the royalties, oh my god, the rewards that you get for being a member, and I had $20 off, so I went and got some stuff. So this is just a little folder that has my order in it, and then this is a really nice little dust bag that I can use for different things or for the planner itself. But I got the cloth and paper vertical weekly Monday start pack. As you can see, there's a lot here. This is the year 2024, and I'm not going to go through these right now specifically because I do want to do a video where I'm setting up my planner and I can show you kind of like what that looks like once it's already kind of like assembled and stuff like that. But I will show you that it comes with like the full year of 2024. Hold on one second. There we go. Comes with the yearly, and then it comes with like the overview, and then you get into like your January, so it comes with monthlies, and then in between the monthlies it comes with the weeklies, which I really like. And so because it has all of that, I don't have to worry about printing out any monthlies or printing out any weeklies for the whole year. And honestly, that is good for me. I do not want to have to do that. And then contact lists and stuff like that in the back. So again, I'll go through all this later on if you want to see that in a future but soon video. So let's get into the big guy here. Okay, so I did go through this a little bit. I was gonna upload this in a different format, but we didn't, so that's why this is here. I'm going to take this stuff out, and as you can see, I did order a planner. I'm a rings girl, so I had to get rings, and I do have like a Moterm that is gray. I do have a Filofax that is my Filofax Malden, but I wanted something in a different color, and I wanted something that was leathery and kind of like more of an investment for this year because I don't plan on switching out. If you watch my video before this, you'll see that I was in like a clear cloth and paper 3-ring binder, but I'm not going to be using that this year. That was just personal preference. So here I have, again, just a little keepsake thing there, which I can probably just punch into my planner. And then, of course, graph paper. Love me some graph paper. And if you purchase a certain amount, you were able to get this as a free gift. This is like a vegan leather, really soft pouch that you can really use for anything. It's honestly amazing. It feels fantastic. Okay, and then so that was everything that was in this dust bag, and now on to the planner and like my first impressions. Okay, so here is what it looks like when you open it, and let's get a little close up here. So pretty, the packaging. Okay, so right now they have their heirloom planners, which are based in, they make them in Italy, which is like a just amazing leather quality. They're trying to see about maybe getting heirloom 3-ring binders sometime in the future. I don't know about near or far. They did mention it, but that is not something that they currently have right now. So this feels so great. You can see the little cloth and paper there. You have a pocket there, a pocket up here, which I really like. I will say that's what I love the most about Gillio's is this pocket up here. And this is giving like Gillio, but better. So this one down here, all of these pockets, this pocket here, pen loop, which is nice and big, as you can see, and then a really nice like magnetic closure right here. Okay, and it's just so pretty. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It feels gorgeous. The pebbles, if I can get really close, the pebbles are just so nice. Look at that. Very pretty. So I am going to be using that for 2024. And so that is essentially my haul. It's a really quick haul. I'm like 7 minutes or under right now. This is just like the basics that I really needed to get moving for 2024. And I'm going to be putting together my planner very shortly here. And I will walk you guys through that process as well, because that's always fun. I'm going to be moving stuff from my old planner into this planner, and it should be great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.